Everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Today we are here with week 3 video. Our chapter is characteristics and evolution of computers. Content: fifth generation computers, summarizes of all generation of computers, characteristics of computers and limitations. Fifth generation computers, 1989 to future. The fifth generation computers are referred to as supercomputers. Supercomputers have high storage capacities, high speeds, and the ability to carry out highly sophisticated operations. The Cray CS300 series is an example of supercomputers. Fifth generation computers also involves artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create computers that can think, behave, and react in the same way as humans do. The fifth generation computers are expected to overcome the lack of thinking power in the earlier generation. Table for all the generation of computers. First generation period 1940 till 58. In main component vacuum tubes. Characteristics: large size, comparatively small storage, slow speed, high power consumption, large installation area, difficult to program. Examples: EDSEC and EDVEC. Second generation 1959 to 1964. Main component transistors. Characteristics: smaller, faster and cheaper. Contained all the components of modern day computers: printer, storage capacity, operating system. Programming languages like COBOL and Fortran came into use. Examples: IBM 1401 and RCA 501. Third generation period 1964 to 1970. Main component integrated circuit. Characteristics: smaller size, increased storage capacity, different programs could be run together. Example: IBM 360 series and 370 series. Fourth generation period 1971 to present. Main component microprocessors. Characteristics: greater computing power, greater storage capacity, use better storage devices that cost less, can be linked together or networked. Examples: modern day PCs, laptops and palm tops. Fifth generation period 1989 to future. Main component artificial intelligence. Characteristics: very high speed and storage capacity, ability to carry out sophisticated operations, might overcome the lack of thinking power. Examples: Cray CS300 series. Characteristics of computers. The characteristics of a typical modern day computer are as follows. Number 1. Speed. A computer can perform complex mathematical and statistical calculations at a very high speed. Accuracy. A computer is very accurate if the data and the set of instructions entered into the computer are correct, then the results produced will be accurate. Number 3. High storage. A computer has a very high storage capacity. It can store a large amount of information in a very small space. The information can be recovered instantly and correctly whenever desired. Next is diligence. Being a machine, a computer doesn't suffer from boredom or lack of concentration and continues to work with the same accuracy till power is supplied to it. Last one is versatility. It is the ability to perform different types of jobs. A computer can perform different types of jobs efficiently. It can work with different types of data like picture, audio, and video. Limitations. Today's computers lack the ability to make decisions. They need to be told what to do, at each and every step. In an unexpected situation, a computer will either produce incorrect results or will not complete the task. Computing that involves artificial intelligence refer to an expert system. An expert system is a computer system that has a decision making ability like human. A robot is an example of an expert system. Assignment. Question number 1. Make a list of the early calculating devices. Do we still use any of them today? Number 2. Compare and contrast the two calculating machines of Napier's bone and the Pascal line. Do you think one was more advanced than the other? Why? Next question. In fourth generation computers, what do you think was the biggest advantage for using microprocessors? Justify your response. The last one is, do you think that in the future artificial intelligence might replace teachers in the classroom? Give reasons for your answers. Okay. Our last week 2 assignment answers. Question number 1 was, list the characteristics of second generation computers. Characteristics of second generation computers are they use transistors, they were smaller, faster, cheaper, and more efficient than the first generation computers. They relied on punch cards for input. Question number 2. What were the limitations of first generation computer? The major limitation of first generation computers are their operating speed was quite slow, their power consumption was very high, they required large space for installation, they were highly expensive, they could solve only one problem at a time. Question number 3. How have the advances in computer technology affected our modern day-to-day lives? Computer is an important part of our life. With the help of computer, we can search on any topic using internet and we can keep the record of data easily. So these are the answers of our week 2 assignment. Okay, good luck for today's assignment. Thank you.